How's it going, guys? Mike with River City Barbecue. Today I'm doing some fried chicken. I actually got to talking with Tom over at Cooking with TomTom about doing some fried chicken. And he said I should make a video about it. I don't know if you saw his video, but his dad done some fried chicken, and we got to talking. He was like, just do it and put your own spin on it. So that's what I'm gonna do. Got the chicken marinating in some buttermilk and hot sauce, and then I'm gonna bread them up and let's get them frying. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get some of this chicken breaded up. This is the chicken I got in the buttermilk and hot sauce. I basically did 1/4 buttermilk and a whole 6-ounce bottle of hot sauce. I used Louisiana hot sauce, but that's just what I had laying around. And this here is actually Lefty's spices for chicken and fish. It's supposed to be really good, and this is spicy, so it looks pretty spicy. So let's go ahead and get some of these breaded up. The oil's up about 350. Go ahead and put it in. Alright guys, let's check the temp on these, and they're looking pretty good. I already pulled a batch, but they didn't last long. Let me go ahead and get these out. I'll tell you what, these are good. I'm going to do a taste test at the end, but we just couldn't wait. We had to get into them. I'm going to get the rest of them fried up, and I'll get back with y'all at the end for a taste test. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to hit it with some of this barbecue honey heat. Go ahead and hit it with that while they're hot. Get a little bit of sweet and spicy. Alright, I'll be back, guys. Alright guys, I'm going to give this a try on camera since we've already had a few of them. I know what they taste like. Man, they're pretty good. Good color on them and stuff. Nice and crunchy inside. These are really good. If you get a chance to try the Lefty season, I suggest give it a chance. It's really good. So, until next time, River City Barbecue.